Have you ever wondered how a simple bridge could hold so many tales within its concrete and steel? Our story today revolves around one such marvel, the Baltimore Bridge, or as it's formally known, the Francis Scott Key Bridge. Its history, much like the city it graces, is a rich tapestry of events, innovations, and incidents. The tale of the Baltimore Bridge begins in the early 20th century. The need for a bridge in this location was felt as the city expanded and the demand for a more convenient route across the Patapsco River grew. After years of planning and deliberation, construction finally started in the early 1970s. Named after Francis Scott Key, the man who penned the American national anthem during the War of 1812, the bridge was a testament to American engineering and resilience. It was officially opened to traffic in the spring of 1977, quickly becoming a vital link in the city's infrastructure. For decades, the Baltimore Bridge served as a reliable crossing for millions, facilitating trade, commerce, and daily commutes. But like any historical structure, it had its share of trials and tribulations. Fast forward to 2024, a cargo ship, the Dolly, collided with the bridge, causing a catastrophic collapse. This incident wasn't the ship's first brush with disaster. Back in 2016, it had crashed in a European port due to a mistake by the master and pilot. The collision in Baltimore, however, was far more disastrous, leading to a state of emergency in Maryland. The collapse of the Baltimore Bridge raised many questions about the safety features of such structures. Experts have since been debating the possibility of introducing protective measures like dolphins to prevent future collisions. While these could reduce risks, achieving absolute safety remains challenging due to the evolving size of cargo ships. From its inception to its untimely demise, the Baltimore Bridge has been more than just a route across a river. It's been a symbol of growth, a facilitator of commerce, and a testament to human ingenuity. And now it stands as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between progress and safety. In conclusion, the history of the Baltimore Bridge is a narrative of growth, innovation, resilience, and tragedy. Its story is a testament to the importance of maintaining safety in the face of progress. And its legacy, while marred by disaster, will continue to remind us of the importance of balancing risks and probabilities in our pursuit of advancement.